In this video I will show you how to use the interactions on the Level 1 vPTY properties in the TANGDAO Metaverse. Let's enter one of the property today to check Level 1 out. A door icon will pop up when you are near the door building. Tap on the icon to enter the building. You will appear at the entrance of Level 1. Let's check out some of the displays at Level 1. You have to be near the displays to interact with it. Tap on the display to enlarge the display. You can take your time to read the contents. Once you are done, you can tap on the close button to exit. Let's check out another display. There are other filled content displays to check out on other vPTY properties too, such as our Hongyun Manor and our Pingyun Pavilion. Let's check out the videos too. You have to be near the video display to interact with it. The videos are audio recordings done by one of our property owners here. There are visual recordings in other vPTY buildings to check out too, such as our Jixiangbao Lo. Tap on the blue play button to play the audio recording.
这是为老板的思维开窗。老板书房，让你的企业思维生活更美好。
Tap on the display. Let's pause the recording with the pause button for now. You can also stop or restart the audio recording by tapping on the stop button too. Let's leave Level 1 now. Tap on the door icon to exit Level 1. Now you are ready to interact and explore our different Level 1 floors of our vPTY properties.